All right then, so now let's go ahead and write a function in order to work with that approval status. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, now where is that selections? Yep, inside here, the approval status for this function. Now I'm gonna get the try and catch. Okay, if there is any error is happening, console.log.error, then set is loading as true. Then here in the finally, I'm gonna say set is loading as false. Then right after here, I'm gonna say await, and I need one more package for this. I'm just going to add that npm add Axios in order to trigger that API. So await Axios. So let's import the Axios. Okay, so import Axios from Axios. That should fix that issue. Axios dot patch. Use the dynamic string literal /API /users /data.id. Then what is the method that we have to supply for it? Approved. That's the folder name /approved. That's the route that we are trying to do. Approved. We supply the boolean value. Then I need to, right after this function, I need to supply the data, which is going to be is approved. That's the data that we are sending in it as an object, so we can access that object on the front. Then I need to access the router, because const router is equals to use router. Next navigation. Here router dot refresh, we need to refresh to see the changes. Save it. So let me check it out. Let me get the inspect elements and let me bring it to the bottom. Let me keep the network clean, and if I click this and if I click approve, it's calling that API. There we go. See, we got the action as payload. This is the state data which we send, and this is the data that we got. And see, it is changed into approved, and you can see the status is also get approved. Okay, and we have to do the exactly the same stuff for pending. If we click the pending, that is going to change. See, no, it's working perfectly as we expected. The loading state is also working perfectly fine. And if I want to block the user, and that's what we need to do next.